Hello. Today I'd like to discuss or rather show you how to import points that have entered in your Microsoft Excel into Civil 3D and get them all in the right location and have them all looking pretty. So the title of today's video is importing points from Excel, where I have used from Civil Excel the format. This is the general example of my format, or rather we don't need this chainage, but the example format is PENZD, meaning point, easting, northing, elevation and code, in which I will show you the one that I'm using right that I'll be showing you is this one, where this is the point ID, easting, northing, elevation and description. So let's go to we don't need this. The first thing you need to do when importing points from Excel is you need to close the Excel file that you're importing. Right, that is absolutely important because while learning by myself I spent like a couple of hours just trying to import points, and it just showed me that you can't import. Let me just show you an example. Let me just cancel this one. First of all, we go to Insert tab and we go to Points from File. So we want to import the data. Let me go. Okay, now we're going to the second bypass. So we need to import second bypass plant data. If we open it, see this little cross. See this little cross. This little cross has been the ache of my back for a couple of days. Let me just take that one out by pressing cross. So what we need to do first is press the cross, of course, and before you do that, you make sure that all the numbers or values in the point ID are numbers and not variables or letters or anything like that, because it will not take those either. Then we close when we import now. If we open this, see the tick mark? Yeah, that's what you need. So we go this and then we specify the point file format. This is the format either your device has imported, or the value that you have entered in Excel file. So since we have Excel file, we go to the PNZD comma delimited format. The thing that I understand about comma delimited is that when we have that in Excel, it's only one page, so the program doesn't get confused. So if we have P and Z comma delimited, this is all the values that you'll get. You'll be missing out on the description part. We want the description so that we can have our figure prefix and then make all the figures in the beginning. So we have point ID, easting, northing, point elevation and raw description. We want to add this to point group, but I don't have the file that I was selecting. So I could either type it all or just go here and then copy this. Let's see, copy, cancel that. We need to make point groups because later on in the drawing it'll be easy for us to identify how the surveyor has collected the data, which section he has collected, and we can evaluate each portion individually, which will be a good deal of help when you are doing designing later on in the project. So we add points to point group. We have our point group over here. We have PNZ format. Everything's okay. So now let's import. Okay. And okay. My computer is a little bit old and it's a little bit slow, so bear with it and see all that. Initially we only had this data, now we have all of this, and that is how you import a Civil 3D import points that you have entered in Excel into flexible 3D. Alright, have fun. Cheers.